I'm Chandler with Chandler Custom Homes. In this video, I'm going to show y'all how I did these seamless ceiling beams. So, making me some ceiling beams for my office, which is a work in progress, so please ignore my cabinets. They are not done, but we are working on it. But I'm working this cypress down, trying to get it as smooth as I can. I wanted these ceiling beams just to be super smooth, no joints, just smooth as I could get it. And that planer is not the best, but it gets the job done. Hoping my wife will buy me a new one. Had to break out the big boy sander here to finish it off. Now I saw this on YouTube. I thought it was slick. So you take a laser level, run your line all the way down this board, because this board's 22 feet long. And I just tap in razor blades every 5 foot. So when I go to cut it with my track saw, I can just butt my track saw right up to the razor blades. So then I will have a completely straight line to work off of to make sure these boards are as straight as they can be. And then when I make my next cut, I can just measure off of this cut. And if you think about it, it should be square. So here I'm just butting it up right to that razor blade, and I'm cutting my 45 because these are all going to be mitered because I don't want any joints in them, no visible joints. Come back here and do the other side. And all I did was measure from that last cut my desired width. Then I go on to cut all of them. Then here I'm just buttoning them up, getting to where I want them, making sure my length is right. And then I just go through there and make a bunch of marks. So I'm connecting these using the Lamello Zeta P2, which is a biscuit joiner on steroids. See how it goes in and then it has a little wiggle at the end. See that wiggle? It makes like this joint to where your connectors slide in and have a lot of tension and they stay in there. But that thing is awesome. You can see there. Now that is a Tenzo connector, which it just snaps to the female side of the other side of the board. And the Tenzo connectors have like, I think 30 to 35 pounds of pressure. But I alternated using them and these, which are the Clamex connectors, which they go in there and they have a locking cam, and you put your Allen head wrench in there through that hole I drilled with that jig. Those things fit tight. I'll get this Allen head, and you see that cam about to poke out right there? It'll squeeze that other female connector together, and those Clamex connectors have like, I think like 200 pounds of pressure. Now the Lamello is stupid expensive, but lucky for me, I got it on Facebook for $100. Go through there and glue it down, but I alternated from Clamex to Tenzo and so on. That way I didn't have to use all the Clamex because those things are stupid expensive. We go through there. And that's me hunting down my Allen head wrench. No telling where it is. Found it. And then go through there and start tightening those Clamex connectors down. Then you go and just continue to tighten them down, and it's done. No clamps needed. It's ready to go. But here they are. Turned out pretty good. I ran my ceiling in a diagonal, just trying to do something a little bit different. But I actually made beams for the left and right, but they were just L's, not a complete beam. But pretty happy with it.